Now I just eat stale bread like this. Here I'm going to use 4 loaves and I'm going to cut into slices. Done that, let's get all these loaves and move to a container. Add 180 ml of water. And with your hands we will knead this bread very well. Right after adding an egg, 50 grams of Parmesan cheese. And with a spatula, now just mix everything. When you reach this consistency, it's already perfect. In a form, I will grease with some butter. And then just add our bread dough. With our hand, let's even knead this bread cover to entire shape. So it's already perfect. Let's take the oven at 200 degrees to leave for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, it will be like that, and I'm going to use tomato sauce and spread everything with a spoon. I'll fit it with 5 slices of ham. Cottage cheese to taste. And 6 slices of mozzarella. A little pepperoni cut into slices. The olive, and to give that touch special, a little oregano. Let's take and bake again until that cheese melts. And guys, look how perfect it looks. Best of all, saving and not throwing away the stale bread. I hope you enjoyed. Do it at your home. I'm sure everyone will love it. This was another little recipe here from the Pooh in the Kitchen. That strong hug until the next time, and thanks for watching.